Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Java for Minecraft. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then just find Java. Okay. Hit on enter. Now you'll be able to see Java from java.com. Okay. You can just go ahead and click on Java right here if you want to. And then just scroll down a bit, click on download Java for desktops. Now scroll down and click on download Java for desktops once more. Wait for the download page to pop up, save it wherever you want. Save. And then once that's done, just click on the installer. Wait a bit. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. And then you can close the browser if you want to. And then after that, just click on install. All right, install and just wait for the installation process to finish. As it says here, you have successfully installed Java. So just close this one. Now go ahead and restart your computer. And once it boots up, you can now then go ahead and delete the installer. And after that, you can now go ahead and use Java for Minecraft. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.